I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. You can use WhatsApp in your computer two way. Either you can download WhatsApp apps for Mac or Windows, or most easiest way to use, just type WhatsApp in your Google or any search engine, and then you can scan QR code from your WhatsApp apps. So first go to Google and then type WhatsApp. Yeah, so web. Yeah, now you can see what they're saying. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu settings, select WhatsApp web, and then point your phone this screen and capture this code. This is the QR code. You can scan it. Also there is a video that says how to do. So now go to your WhatsApp. You see it says WhatsApp web desktop. Can you see this word? Click here. Okay, once you click here, then it will scan this barcode. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, okay, yeah, see, all done. See, this is the WhatsApp, and now you can send text anyone. Also you can edit any file, documents, JPEG, anything. So new text, you can send any text from here, and also you can edit any folder if you want. Click here, just photos, documents, contract, rooms, you can send anywhere to anybody. And also you can create a group, profile, or chips, anything you can do from here. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I try to make it short as much as I can, and don't forget to subscribe me and give a thumbs up. Thank you guys.